Hey, so if you're working with a team and collaboration feels slow or confusing, this guide is going to help a lot. I'll walk you through how to collaborate with your team using ClickUp in 2026 so everyone stays aligned without endless messages or meetings. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. From there, log in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your workspace. And yeah, this is where your team collaboration really happens. Now, to collaborate properly, start by inviting your team members into the workspace. Each person can be added to the right space or project, which makes sure they only see what's relevant to their role so things don't get messy. Inside your spaces, folders, or lists, tasks become the main collaboration point. When you create a task, assign it to the right person, add a clear description, and attach any files or links needed. This keeps all context in one place, instead of scattered across emails. One of the most powerful features is task comments. Team members can leave comments, ask questions, or give updates directly inside the task. You can also use mentions to notify specific teammates, which helps conversations stay focused and easy to follow. ClickUp also supports real-time collaboration through docs. Teams can write plans, meeting notes, or SOPs together, leave comments, and link those docs directly to tasks, so everyone's always working from the same source. Statuses make collaboration visible. When someone moves a task from to-do to in progress or review, the entire team can instantly see progress without needing a status meeting. You can also use priorities to signal what needs attention first. For teams working remotely or async, views like board and calendar really help. Board view shows progress visually, while calendar view helps everyone stay aware of deadlines and handoffs. And that's basically it. ClickUp brings tasks, conversations, files, and updates into one shared system, making team collaboration clearer, faster, and way less stressful. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with your team or a teammate who needs better collaboration. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.